Over here, you can see that I have a video clip, and if I were to play this, you can see that it actually goes around and then just goes through this branches right here, just like this, and you can see the tree leaves and everything. So what you may want to do is you may want to apply color correction to certain areas right here, and you may want the color correction to move along with the video as well. In that case, you can use the auto tracker feature. So to do that, you can go around over here onto, let's say, the power window and apply any power window that you like. So I'm just going to go around over here and then utilize the circle power window and change out the softness of this. And let's just go around and really change out the offset so that you can see what is happening right here. So let me just go around, change the offset right here, just like this, work around with the gain, as you can see right here, the gamma, so you can really focus out on a particular area right here, just like this. If I were to press the play button right now, nothing happens, as you can see right here. Let me just go around onto the beginning, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto the tracker area. So now you can see that I can set pan, tilt, zoom, rotate, and 3D. So I'm just going to keep everything as it is and press the play button, and let's see what happens. You can see that the tracker actually moves right here. You can see that it is tilting out everything, and as the video progresses, you can see that it is moving along with this. So you can let the auto tracker just go around right here, and you can see that it actually goes around right here all the way till the out of the frame right here. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. So the color correction is applied right onto this section only now. And if I were to go around, change out something, so let's just go around over here, change out the offset. Maybe I'm going to go around, make this a bit brighter on this area, work around with the gain right here, just like this. Then what happens is that now if I were to turn this off, you can see that as I press the play button, you can see that that area is being tracked and the brightness is being applied, the color correction is being applied onto that particular area. Similarly, what you can also do is you can track backward, for example. So I'm going to go around, bring in another power window right here, just like this. So let me just go around, bring this power window right around over here, and let me just go around and make this a bit more soft, just like this. So let me just go around, make this a bit more soft and focus on this particular area right here. Once I do that, I can go around onto the tracker and I can go back as I track as well. You can see that it goes back as the tracker goes out right here, and then you can go around over here and track forward as well. So you can go around, track it towards the back and track them forward over here as well, and you can see that this is how the tracker actually looks, and it focuses on that particular area, and you can really change out how it looks on that particular area right here and make color corrections on the go dynamically, just like this. And that is how you can use the auto tracker feature. And then you can also see that right now everything is turned on, pan, tilt, zoom, and everything. But if I were to turn one of them off right here, so I'm just going to go around onto let's say another tracker. Let me just go around, add in a linear tracker right here. So let's say I don't want to apply tilt and whatever right here. I can just go around and then apply just tilt and disable the zoom, the 3D. Then what happens is that it only tracks it out right here, just like this. You can see that it only tilts the power window and does not do anything otherwise right here. And with every tracker right here, you can see the curve, like how much tilt is being applied right here, how much span is being applied, and so forth over here as well. So you can see that initially this is the tracker as well, so you can go around and see the tilt being applied right here, the pan being applied right here, and everything else right here, just like this. And you can see the value of each one of them being applied over here as well. And that is how you can make dynamic color corrections for moving objects by using the auto tracker feature for power windows inside of Davinci Resolve. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.